CBSE Class 9 Chemistry Practical. To prepare a mixture and a compound using iron fillings and sulfur powder, and to distinguish between these two on the basis of number 1 appearance, that is homogeneity or heterogeneity, number 2 behavior towards magnet, number 3 behavior towards carbon disulfide as a solvent, and number 4 effect of heat. Apparatus required: china dish, spatula, a magnet, glass rod, beaker, watch glass, and a heating setup. Chemicals required: iron fillings, sulfur powder, carbon disulfide, and dilute hydrochloric acid. Theory: a mixture is that form of matter in which two or more substances, either elements or compounds, are present in any proportion. A mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. The individual components of a mixture retain their original properties. The components of a mixture can be separated by simple physical methods. No energy change is involved in the preparation of a mixture. A compound is a pure substance which is formed by a combination of two or more elements in definite proportion by mass. A compound is always homogeneous. The properties of a compound is entirely different from the constituent elements. Procedure: a china dish was taken and some iron fillings and sulfur powder were placed in it. The contents were mixed thoroughly with the help of a glass rod. Observation: yellow powder and black colored iron fillings were clearly visible as the substance formed is a mixture. Procedure: a magnet was moved over the mixture. Observation: only black colored iron fillings got attracted towards the magnet. In this second experiment, the iron fillings were again mixed with the sulfur powder and carbon disulfide was added to the mixture. The contents were mixed thoroughly and filtered. It was observed that the sulfur powder got dissolved in carbon disulfide and it is filtered down as the filtrate, but iron fillings were left as the residue on the filter paper. After some time, the liquid carbon disulfide evaporates, leaving the yellow sulfur as a solid residue inside the conical flask. Inference: the individual components of a mixture retain their original properties. The components of the mixture can be separated by simple physical methods. For preparing a compound from iron and sulfur to form iron sulfide, again the two substances were mixed thoroughly in a china dish and the contents were heated. It was observed that the substance, when heated, turned into a black colored solid as a new compound was formed. Again, when a magnet was brought near the new substance formed, it was observed that no substance was attracted towards the magnet, as the properties of the compound formed were entirely different from the constituent elements. Lastly, dilute hydrochloric acid was added to the black compound formed, and a filter paper dipped in lead acetate solution was brought near the gas evolved. It was observed that a foul and rotten egg smelling gas was evolved, and the filter paper dipped in lead acetate solution turned black on reaction of the evolved hydrogen sulfide gas due to the formation of black colored lead sulfide. Hope you have understood how to prepare a mixture and a compound using iron fillings and sulfur powder and to differentiate between their properties. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Pathosaur's World.